What makes you take poor investment decisions? Or hidden pitfalls or common traps leading you to costly mistakes? Financial expert Mr. Anunay Kumar will guide us through. Anunay Kumar, the screen is yours.
We are normally governed by the biases. What are the biases that normally are governed with? We don't want to take any losses. Am I right? The first biasness is we don't want any losses. Markets are looking expensive. What should I do? Should I book my profit? So these are what we call a classic statement of loss aversion. Other biases that we look into is I will tell you when to invest. I don't want to book a loss. I will time the market. The third one is herd mentality. I saw my friends buying a certain fund, certain stock, selling his house, putting the money in the capital market. I would want to follow him. Why? Because he's a genius. He exactly knows everything. And the fourth one is we want money making to happen tomorrow. We don't have patience. We want our money to multiply every day. So these are the large four biases or the pitfalls.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.